everybody. Monica here. I have the cutest little card for you today featuring a few different techniques. This one is using washi tape as a pattern for your paper, and I learned that from Natasha Foot's channel. She has a great channel. She's clear and precise and concise, and I've learned a lot from her. I'll put a link to her channel in my description for you. So I've had this washi tape for a while, and it is leopard print, and the black parts of it are filled with glitter. So it's going to be really, really cute. And that cutting die with the kitty cat on there, I got a long time ago from AliExpress. I doubt it's still available, but I will put a link to it in the description for you if I can find it. And I don't have any idea where I got the washi tape from. See the glitter part on the black part of that washi tape, how cute it is? So I'm cutting that out, and now I have my leopard print pattern paper. And I cut it through my die cutting machine, and I'm punching it out, and it's just so cute, 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 cute. Now I have these googly eyes, and they stick on, and I found the black and white ones were the best for this particular card. I didn't want to detract from what's coming up soon. It just looks so dang cute, those little googly eyes on the little kitty cat. And then this stamp set I bought from Amazon, I believe, and it's got the perfect sentiment with it that says, I hope you're feline better soon. And the googly eyes weren't sticking very well because the adhesive on the googly eyes that originally came with it just wasn't strong enough. So I had to use some glue and make those stay down secure. I just love how cute he looks. So I'm going to give him a little face mask. And it's my way of saying, wear your mask, people. So I cut it out. I kind of made it like a football shape, and I squared off the edges of it. And I had to do it twice to make sure I got the right fit. And it's not symmetrical, but it works fine. And then I need to make some little wrinkles in it. So I found a fine line marker, and I just drew a couple of lines from the outer edges going in. And I want to give it some dimensions. So I put some foam tape behind it to make it look like it was resting on his nose. And then I also put a couple of dots of glue on the other sides of the little face mask to make sure that he stayed, the face mask didn't move around too much. And that eyeball, you see how it just moved right there? I fixed it later, but I don't think I showed it in the video. But anyway, there he is, all ready to be put on a card, just so dang cute. All right, now here's the sentiment, and I'm just simply stamping it in my MISTI, and I'm using VersaFine Onyx black ink. I love the darkness of this ink and how precise it is. And there's my little sentiment. It says, hope you're feline better soon. I cut it out with a rectangle cutting die, but I didn't show that part. There it is, see? And now I'm just trying to balance how it's going to lay out on the card, if it's going to be vertical or horizontal. I don't make mine top folding because of the sleeves that I put them in. I'll show you that later. But I thought it needed a little bit more. And this bag of red dies, red rubber stamps I've had for a long time, and it's just so much fun to dig through there. I have a bunch of different little things that I can use as repeats for pattern paper. And that little purple ink cube, don't get it. I bought that from Amazon, a whole set, like, I don't know, 32 or something for something like $12, $15. I thought it was a great deal. It wasn't. Sooner or later, I'm going to be able to get nice inks, which I just can't right now. But I will sooner or later, little by little, right? All right, so now I'm just going to mount everything up with a little bit of foam tape. I've got my kitty cat mounted, and I put some tape behind his ears to give it support, and his feet. That's right, I said feet. And I want to show a little border on the outside of the pattern paper on the white card there. So I trimmed that piece of paper. It was originally 4.25 by 5.5. And I'm mounting it with some liquid glue. If it's paper, thin paper, I'll use double-sided tape. But if it's cardstock, I like to use glue because it gives you a little bit of extra wiggle time. Wiggle time. There we go. I've got that mounted nice and straight and even. And here goes my little kitty cat and sentiment on the front. I suppose I could have put rhinestones or something else on there, but I kind of just wanted to get it done. Um, or a piece of ribbon also or something. But if you don't have this, cat cutting die, maybe you have other animals that you can use and other sentiments, anything that you can think of in your stash, you can probably put a mask on, use it. It's so cute and it's so appropriate for right now. We all need to be vigilant. And if you do know anybody that's suffering from this craziness, this would be a perfect card for them. That's the sleeve that I was talking about that I put them in. I get them from Clear Bags, and I'll put a link for them in the description for you. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you later. Don't forget to wear your masks. Bye.